What else? Lovers. Maybe there was a third party situation. I see that somebody kind of chose someone else over you. There were choices basically. It's like somebody had you and someone else, and then they chose them over you, which has led to a lot of disappointment, and that is why you feel as if somebody has used you. So you are still holding grudges against somebody or something, all right? As much as you're trying to focus on yourself, you still have this energy where you feel very disappointed that this person used me, you know? Some of you also feel that now it's a missed opportunity. I see that somebody might, you know, this is Two of Cups, which is like the Lovers minor arcana. And then we have Lovers here. I see somebody might still try to come back and speak to you, but you feel that what is the point? You feel that there is no point. Why do we have to speak again? Everything is ruined, and you know there is no point of communicating. So that is why you might also try to hold back. I see that somebody might try to reach to you, like the same person who left you out in the cold. This person might try to reach back to you, but you will tell them things like, what is the point of talking again? You already chose someone else over me. Why should we talk, and what's the point, like that? All right, so because you feel that it's a missed opportunity, so you might actually ignore somebody now. Three of Wands. Yeah, you're trying to focus on new things in life now. You're trying to move on, and that is why you might try to leave this behind. Somebody coming back to you from your past, you might just try to hold back from this person because you think that they have missed an opportunity with you. So you might not pay attention. Somebody basically ignored you, and that is why you're trying to move on. So it's not you who initiated this separation. This person initiated this, and now you're also moving away from them. So it's like they forced you to move on, and now you're moving on from them. However, the good news is that when you try to move on and when you will be taking this new journey, it's going to lead you to a lot of expansion. So a new beginning will happen in your life once you move away from here. I also see some sort of financial abundance coming in for you. So you will be multitasking and you will be getting money from different ways. And for others of you, the messages that leave behind whatever is not serving you, I see that you have been in this energy for a very long time of this disappointment and sadness and grief. Now it is time to finally move on from here, all right? Try to focus on the good and let the past go. Okay, what is this person's energy towards Scorpio now? Eight of Pentacles and Two of Cups. I think you already know, you're already sensing. By the way, the Two of Cups here, these two cups that are here, that we can see here, the two cups you can see here, they are still full. They are now coming in here. So the same card. See, I was telling you here, right? Somebody who basically did not make a choice between you and someone else, is trying to come back, trying to communicate with you again. This person might be a co-worker, or they want to just work things out with you. I don't know, but somebody wants to speak to you. But and with the Mercury retrograde energy, that makes a lot of sense, because yeah, see, Three of Pentacles. Some of you, this is a co-worker, or you met them at work, or you met them through work, or you met them through social networking, or your friend circle. That's the third house in astrology, right? Your friend circle, or your lower network, smaller network circle basically. So I see somebody wants to come back and they will try to tell you things like, can we work on this again? They want to make amends with you, but you feel that you are tired of this person going back and forth with you with the Two of Pentacles. You're trying to focus on new things now. Some of you also feel that you will only accept this person if they level up and they act more mature basically. You feel that this person has been very, very immature and you cannot take them back with their immaturity. And the third party situation has really disappointed you. Like, this person literally chose someone else over you and you were forced to walk away. Now you do not want to get yourself in the similar position. You feel that you have, with a lot of difficulty, you have been moving on in your life and you do not want to, you know, get into the same cycle again. Death card for a 1 and Page of Sword. Yeah, I see somebody stalking you. Somebody who basically left you out in the mess, left you out in the cold, now wants to, look back at you because they realize what they missed with you. Some of you, this person might be married, or you were about to get married, or they are married somewhere else. I don't know. Marriage could be a part of the situation. This person still looks back at you. That's the beauty of it. And once you engage with a Scorpio, you never forget a Scorpio. That's something that I have seen in my life as well. And I've heard this from so many people, whoever interacts with Scorpio never forgets them. Somebody is not able to forget you. And expect communication coming in or apologies coming in. Somebody is now feeling the loss that they had. Like, they are now realizing what they missed and they now want to come back and talk to you. Like, you really waited for this person to do it for such a long time, and now you're just giving up hope and doing your own thing, and now they want to come back. Regardless, I see you're trying to walk away. You feel that you are up for new things in life and you cannot waste your time on this person. Some of you might be starting a new job or a new career venture or something new, a new journey, I don't know. Or you might be getting benefit from government, because I also saw the Sun with the King of Cups, that's your card. So recognition from government might come in, I don't know. Whatever it is going to lead to a lot of growth and healing. And that has all happened after a lot of heartbreak in your life. Scorpio, you have really gone through a lot of heartbreak because somebody did not make a choice. They were asked to make a choice between you and the third person, and they chose them over you. And now you're trying to choose a different way. You're like, you did not choose me, so I'm not going to choose you. When this person tries to come back, you are going to doubt them a lot because, of course, they have been very immature in the past. That's what the Page of Sword energy is. You cannot trust this person now. King of Sword. You are going to be very silent to this person coming back to you. With the Tower card, I see this is going to all happen very suddenly. I see that you do not expect this person to reach out to you, but you are going to hear from them very soon. Maybe next 16 days. But some of you might try to ignore this communication because you feel, what's the point? You feel that everything already got exposed and now you have healed and you're moving on and you're like, I don't want drama, bitch. What happened in the past? What happened in the past? Hanged Man. Somebody was not making a decision about you. I see that they took forever to make a decision. They were very, very slow. And then you got tired. You were like, why can't you make a decision? The world is ending. It's a pandemic. Can't you see? And now you feel that there's no point of making any decision. Now you feel that I don't want this person. Yeah, I see somebody wants to reach out to you, but you are constantly, somebody is coming in full-fledged. Some of you also have more than one person. There could be a fire sign, could be an air sign, could be an earth sign as well. A lot of communication coming in, so your phone is going to buzz a lot because a lot of people want to reach out to you. But I also see that you are ignoring somebody and this person is continuously trying to make a contact with you. But you might be talking to some other people as well. So you have multiple people going on. And a secret is going to be revealed, or it is already revealed. That is why you are ignoring somebody, because you feel that you know about them and you don't want them in your life. But this person is constantly trying to come in. Somebody is going to force communication to you and you might just try to cut them off. You're like, I know your story, bye. I also see some sort of good news coming in with the Ace of Swords and the Knight of Swords. Like, this could be in career or finance. Some sort of good news of your victory is going to come in. Give me some love and love messages. And in love also, you have multiple people coming in for you, Scorpio. There's more than one person in your life. You might be dealing with a lot of people. I'm not telling that you're fucking around. I'm just saying that people are looking at you, people are admiring you, and there are many people who have their eye on you. And some of you, this person is also having sexual attraction towards you, so I just want to be clear on that. Eight of Swords and the High Priestess again. Trust your intuition about something. I see that your intuition is also warning you about something. Like, your intuition kind of knows who is toxic for you out of all the options that you have around you. Trust your intuition. Don't try to ignore the signs it's trying to give you. I see in the past as well, you had ignored your intuition and you had done a lot for this person. Now you kind of think that, oh my god, my intuition was right and I should not have done so much for this person. See what it got me into? Trouble. So now when your intuition is trying to tell you something, pay attention. Your intuition is also asking you to kind of take a step back and reflect. So try to reflect on your situation and do not try to take impulsive decisions, especially career or love or whatever. Ten of Cups and the Strength card. You have been working on your inner strength and it's going to take you to a very good and stable position. Keep doing you, all right? I see a very fulfilling relationship coming in for you in the long run. Could be in the month of October, could be 10 months from now, I don't know. But yeah, I see that happening. For now, you're just asked to kind of take a step back and reflect, and you have multiple people coming towards you, so make a wise choice. Hierophant. Ooh, marriage. There is someone who has a lot of love for you and they might be approaching you for marriage as well. But that's going to happen with time. Obviously, you cannot get married tomorrow, right? Like, you don't have anybody today and you cannot get tomorrow, married tomorrow. I see somebody really wants to talk to you. That's the same thing. We have already the 4 knights here in the reading, which shows communication, 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 love offer being made. Someone wants to make an offer, and some of you have multiple options going on. So what are you doing, Scorpio, these days? You have all the 4 knights in the reading. You have multiple options. So you are not going to be single for a very long time. Instead, I see you in a very fulfilling relationship. It's going to happen slowly, gradually, and you have so many options, so try to choose wisely. Don't try to make an impulsive decision and then regret later on, all right? But yeah, I see a past situation, a past person trying to come back and talk. Again, be very careful. If your intuition is telling you something about them, do not try to ignore. All right, let's take a message for Scorpio, please. Reconciliate. What the fuck did I tell you in the whole reading? Somebody wants to have a reconciliation. Some of you have also been manifesting this. So you are not surprised. Your juju worked. Children. Some of you might be having kids with this person, or this person is very childish. I see that you have been manifesting this communication from this person, but universe is like, I'm going to make every of your ex or every friend of yours talk to you. So your phone is going to buzz a lot. I see that your phone is going to buzz a freaking lot. And a lot of people are going to reach out to you. And I also see that you have someone around you who could be the one for you. So try to make a wise choice. Because you have options. Do not try to get overwhelmed, because you might be missing on the very good one. There is someone around you who could be the one for you. And you know it. That they might be really good for you, but you might just try to ignore. I don't know. Or maybe because you're so busy dealing with so many people, you might ignore. So this is your warning. But yeah, I definitely see somebody is very determined to reconcile with you or talk to you. And this person is going to talk to you, like forcefully, or you allowing them or whatever. So yeah, let me know in the comments how did this reading resonate. I will see you very soon in the next video. Till then, you guys take care, stay safe, bye.